Good morning children, how you all? Hope you are fine, ma'am. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 52. Now we are going to start exercise 53. Let us start the class. Exercise 53. Okay, see the first one in that. The difference between the place value of 5 in 2505 is. What are the differences between the place value of 5 in 2505? That means first you have to find the difference between the place values of 5. What is the number, this one? What are the place values of 5s in this? Ones and the second one is hundreds. So it's a difference they are asking. That means 500 minus 5. 10, 9 and it is 4. 495. Answer is 495. See the second one then. 2 by 5. Choose the correct figure 2 by 5. How you will shade 2 by 5? That means you have to take the figure which were equally divided into 5 equal parts, and in that 2 parts were shaded. 2 parts were shaded. Totally 2 parts were shaded. That type of figure is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. See the third one. Circle the smallest number. Circle the smallest number. What are the smallest number? 9,305, 5,309, 8,309, 9,308. In that they are asking us to circle the smallest. Which one is smallest of all? You have to circle. Which one is smallest? See the thousands place digit. First one 9,000s and second one 5,000s and then 8,000s and then 9,000. So 5,000s is the smallest one. So the number is 5,309 is the smallest of all. Okay. See the next one, children. One and a half kilometer equal to how many meters? 1.5 kilometer equal to how many meters? Children, you know very well 1 kilometer contains 1000 meters. 1 kilometer contains 1000 meters. So here you have to write 1.5 kilometer. 1 kilometer contains 1000 meters. So half kilometer contains 1000 divided by 2. What is half of 1000 and 500 meters? Here they are asking us to find 1.5 kilometer. That means 1 into 1000 plus half kilometer is there now 500. So 1 into 1000, 1000 plus 500. It's nothing but 1500 meters, not kilometers. 1500 meters. See the fifth one, children. 5 minutes to 9. 5 minutes to 9. Children, you may get confused while writing the clock, children. So listen carefully what I am saying is dash has dash minutes. Okay. See the question. 5 minutes to 9. That means to go for that clock, to go for that 9, there is 5 minutes time. To go for the 9, there is 5 minutes time. So in the clock, if you observe, 5 minutes to 9. 5 minutes to 9 they told. Okay. So the long hand is at 11 and short hand is nearer to 9. Not 9, nearer to 9. So 5 minutes to 9. 5 minutes to 9. If it moves to this side, so 12 it becomes 9. If it moves to this side, it becomes 12. So what the time is now? 8 hours 55 minutes. 11, it is at 11 hours 55. So it's nothing but 8 hours 55 minutes is the 5 minutes to 9. Is 5 minutes to 9. See the sixth one, children. Insert greater than, less than or equal to. See that the question 7 by 10, 14 by 20. Children, if you observe, 7 by 10 is in its lowest form. Is in its lowest form. But here that the lowest form is there is no chance of cancellation between 7 and 10. But here this 14 and 20 are divisible in two tables. They are divided by two tables. So if you divide, what the answer you will get? Let us check it. Okay. 2 7s 14, 2 10s 20. So both 7 by 10, 7 by 10. These two are equal. Simply in these fractions we call these type of fractions as equivalent fractions. But here they didn't give to you up to then. So you have to learn what type of fractions these two are equal fractions. Okay. 3 kg 45 grams less than 5 kg is dash kg dash grams. Okay. 3 kg 45 grams less than 5 kg. Less than 5 kg. So kg grams, 5 kg means like this, and less than 3 kg 45 grams. You have to write 045. 045. Don't write directly 45. Okay, it's wrong. If you write 450, it is also wrong. You have to write 045. So 10, 9 and 9, and here this becomes 4. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 4, 5. Next, 9 minus 0, 9, 4 minus 3, 1. So it is nothing but 1 kg 955 grams. 1 kg 955 grams is the answer. See the 8th one, Nana. equal to how many sets of 10 each? 120 equal to how many sets of 10 each? That means in 120 how many tens are there? In 120 how many tens are there? That means if you divide 120 with 10, 10 ones 10, remainder 2, now drop down 0, 20, 10 2s 20. So how many times it is? 12 sets of 10. It is 12 sets of 10. In 9 by 11, the numerator is what we call the numerator here, which is numerator here in 9 by 11. In a fraction 9 by 11, here numerator is called the upper number which is above the fraction, which is above the division line or which is present in the fraction above side. This is called numerator. And the number which lies in the downside of that downside of that line, we call it as denominator. So they are asking us to write which one is the numerator in 9 by 11. 9 is the numerator. 9 is the numerator. See the last one. Sohan's birthday. Sohan's birthday is on the last day of July. Is on the last day of July. Last day of July. In July, which is the last day, Nana? 31st July. What is the last day in July? 31st July. 31st July. Next, Arun's. Next person by name Arun's birthday days before. Arun's birthday is 5 days before. Sohan's birthday. Arun's birthday is 5 days before Sohan's birthday. That means 31st July. Before 5 days. That means 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. So that the boy birthday is on 26th July. 26th July. Or else if you subtract 31 minus 5, you will get 26. So like that also you can write his birthday is on 26th July. Okay children, this exercise was completed. In the next class we will meet